Uzokhulisa umntana womfana and say indoda ayikhali, indoda must be strong. Yes, nobody wants to see any child, whether be it a girl or a boy, being a weakling. But is it now teaching them to close off when they have things that are on their chest and they wanna, because you find ukuthi kids are facing so much bullying at school, or they are seeing whatever it is that is happening at home, but they don't talk, they don't say anything because they don't want to be seen as that weak person. You must just keep your head up high and continue as if nothing happened. It is okay for you as a young man to know ukuthi you also have feelings. You also, get hurt. You also are allowed to actually speaking when you're going through something that you feel ukuthi it is too much for you. It is okay to cry. It is okay to let your feelings be known to the next person.